to show you. I hope you're ready to see. This world, as complicated as it is not what you think. What you see looks peaceful. Well, look again, and you'll see it through my eyes. What I'm about to reveal is what I learned from your father. This world as you know it is in danger. Every 50 years, the planes of the multiverse merges, opening a doorway for Wakandaliza's shadow warriors. Are we out of sleep? You!
Why so much light? And for that matter, who are you and where have you taken me?
I heart one.
You're living in a world of pain. A world of death. A world where the innocent are constantly targeted.
So how am I going to find the man who shot me and prevent others from suffering the same fate?
Youth. Sometimes you just have to use your eyes to listen. And you're here to see.
No, that makes perfect sense. You think it's a garbage dump? You beat up a little brother over garbage. No hiccup when kick you up.
If vengeance are what you say, you first have to accept the fire before you can find the man who do you wrong.
I bet you can't do it again.